People belonging to Hindu faith celebrated Rath Yatra festival with religious fervour and procession of chariot carrying the idols of deity Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. People thronged Govindaji temple since morning to offer prayers and flowers to the deities. Even though celebration is subdued owing to the unrest situation in the state, people took part in prayers and chariot procession. Chariot procession was held at palace compound under Govindaji temple board. People took blessings from the deities and prayed for peace and harmony in the state.